Welcome to the Autoverse, the channel where automotive history comes alive and modern innovations take center stage. Today, we're exploring the 1990 Chevy Caprice, a car that captured the essence of American luxury and muscle, blending spacious comfort with powerful performance. The 1990 Chevrolet Caprice stood as a symbol of traditional American sedans, featuring a bold and boxy design that emphasized size and presence. Its long, wide body, with sharp lines, chrome accents, and a prominent front grille, exuded sophistication. The large rectangular headlights and smooth rear end added to its timeless appeal, while the optional wire-spoke wheels provided an extra touch of class. It was a vehicle that effortlessly balanced elegance and functionality. Under the hood, the 1990 Caprice offered a range of engine options catering to different performance needs. The base model came with a 4.3-liter V6 engine, producing 140 horsepower, designed for efficiency and reliability. For those seeking more power, a 5.0-liter V8 engine delivering 170 horsepower was available. The high-performance option, a 5.7-liter V8, packed up to 180 horsepower and significantly more torque, making it a favorite for enthusiasts. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Caprice delivered a smooth and comfortable driving experience, perfect for long highway cruises. Inside, the 1990 Chevy Caprice provided a spacious and luxurious cabin. Plush bench seats, available in cloth or leather upholstery, offered ample comfort for up to 6 passengers. The dashboard featured a simple yet functional layout, with analog gauges and basic controls for the climate and audio systems. Higher trims included premium features such as power-adjustable seats, cruise control, and upgraded sound systems, ensuring a comfortable ride for drivers and passengers alike. As a classic car today, the 1990 Chevy Caprice holds a special place in automotive history. It's sought after by collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its balance of luxury, performance, and reliability. Prices for well-maintained models typically range from $8,000 to $15,000, while fully restored or rare versions can command higher values. Its iconic status, especially as a police and fleet vehicle in its era, further adds to its charm and nostalgia. Thank you for watching the Autoverse. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 1990 Chevy Caprice, give this video a like and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into classic vehicles and modern marvels. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content